Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mac terminal. So it's a very useful way to navigate around folders or do some cool stuff, even if you're not like a programmer, not a developer. So we're going to learn how to direct to folders, create folders, and create a simple text document. So let's get started. So when you need to open up your terminal, you go to your Finder, you go to Applications, and you scroll down and you can see the utilities folder. And here you can see the terminal app. So you just launch it, open it up, and then that's it. I like to store it in my dock so I can always access it. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So basically the terminal, it's something like your Mac. Uh, this is what we call a GUI, graphical user interface. You can see your folders. So here basically you can do the same thing, but it's just in command line. So let me make it bigger. So you were like, okay, what are we doing here? So first you need to find out where you are. So I would just use the command ls. Okay, so ls is to find out the list of folders you have in your directory. So here you can see applications, desktop, downloads, movie. Basically, you're seeing uh, this page right here. Okay, so you're seeing all these folders, but you're just seeing them in a command line. So first, we're gonna learn how to direct to folders. So how do we? Let's say in command line, I want to go to the document folder. How do we do it? Like in your GUI, it's very simple. You just click, and then that's it. You click on documents, and you go inside the document folder. Okay, right here. And here, what do you do it? So you use CD. Okay, CD documents. So now you can see you're in the documents folder. So we're basically like this inside the document folders. So how do we know what's inside the documents folder? Same thing, you use ls. Allow. Yeah, you can see Black Magic Design. Same thing here. So what about you want to create what do we get to do? Create a folder. Want to create a folder within this folder. So we use mkdir, which stands for make directory. So let's say you want to make a directory for let's say travel. So you can see right away inside the document folder there is travel. So what if you want to create a document inside a folder travel? So first you need to go inside a folder travel. So you put cd navigate to the folder travel. Okay, so now you're inside a folder travel, and you press ls. There's nothing in there, obviously. So same thing here. There's nothing here. So you want to create a file. Okay, so what do you want to create? So let's create a text document. So we use the command touch, okay, to create a text document. Let's say travel packing list txt right here. So you press touch. Here we go. You can see there's a packing list.txt right here, but within there's nothing there. So you will try to add some text here. So there's this last command I'm going to talk about in this video. So you use something called nano. So what is nano? Nano is a built-in command line editor. So let's say you want to edit this packing list.txt. You do nano packing list.txt and you press enter, and it goes into a text editor page. So let's say packing for traveling to Peru. Okay, so what do we need? Backpack, hat, sunscreen. Okay, so here we have the packing list here. So you can see the commands down here. So command O. So first you need to save it. So press command O. Control O, and then press enter, and then Control X to exit. So now you have typed something in your packing list.txt. So let's find out if there's anything in the packing list. Ooh, that's it. So packing list for travel to Peru. backpack, hat, sunscreen. So if you don't want to open the text file here, I'm going to show you another way to open your packing list.txt right here. So you use the command cat, like the animal cat, packing list. That's it. So you can show the packing list here, the txt file. You're showing the txt file in your command line. So why do I like using command line? Because sometimes when I want to, let's say, write something like a document, write a draft, I would actually use command line to do it because it's just less distraction. So I can basically here, let's find out, let's say I need to type a project proposal. Let's say I want to create a new project proposal. I put nano project proposal.txt, and then I can stop typing here. Okay, in this project, blah blah blah. Okay, saved it, exit, and we go back here. You can see, okay, there's another text document right here, project proposal. Okay, so when you open it up, it has the same thing that you type here. Okay, so this is the part one. We have learned how to use the Mac terminal to navigate to different folders, to create a folder, to do a lot of different things using just the terminal. So this is something quite cool. It could be something useful in case something, maybe your GUI doesn't work or whatever reason. So this is it for this part of the tutorial, and I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.